Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm in the car with my kids. And where are we going, baby?
We're going to thrift shop.
Yes, we are. We'll see you guys there. One tip I have for you guys is to, every time you go thrifting, only pull out whatever gets your attention, whether it's patterns or colors, because if not, you'll be standing there for hours. Hello guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys everything I got. So first thing I got was this shirt. I had seen the same thing at Target and it was like $12, $12.99, something like that. So it's really a good thing that I got it, and it was only $6.99. The only thing it has is a little string down here, but it's in perfect conditions. I could just cut that piece. There's nothing else wrong with it. Also, to match it up, I found these boots that were only $14.99. It says it right there. Only $14.99. I cleaned them and they're all perfect. Next thing I got was this cute shirt. It was only $3.99. You could put a shirt underneath, pair it with some leggings, some jeans. And it's in perfect conditions too. Next, I got this jumpsuit, olive color. I love it. I'm in love with it. Perfect conditions. And the only thing it has is like this little stain right here. I'm not sure what it is. I'll try to take it out. But other than that, it's in perfect conditions and it looks beautiful. And it was only $10. $10 for this. Now my goal when I started this whole thrifting store video was to get a coat or a jacket. So I found the perfect one. It's right here. Perfect conditions. There's nothing wrong with it. And again, this was $10. For the rest of the video, I'll be pairing things up with jewelry or some accessories that I have so you guys can see how it would look on me. Shut up, come on. I'm not getting you, come on. always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, and also follow me on my social media. I don't know if my comments are gonna get disabled, but just in case, follow me on my Instagram or my Snapchat.